Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can fix something went wrong, try again error on your Google Play Store on Android. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to fix something went wrong, try again error in Play Store. So you might actually open your Google Play Store, and sometimes this usually happens that it says something went wrong, or sometimes it says check your internet connection or try again error on your Google Play Store. And for that, what you have to basically do is, first of all, you have to make sure that your internet connection is stable. You can go ahead and try to use other applications, try to use other social media sites, and then check whether your connection is stable. If you're using Wi-Fi, you might also want to try to switch to your cellular data. Now, once you've actually made sure of that, we're going to run through a simple fix which will hopefully get your Google Play Store to work and function properly again. And for that, we are going to simply start by launching the settings app. Once we launch settings, you have to look for the option called password and account. And on every Android phone, this option could actually vary. It could be written as accounts and backup or something, but you want to go and tap on something similar called accounts. So I'm going to tap on account, and here you have to select the Google account which is actually currently logged in on your Google Play Store. So I'm going to tap on that particular Gmail ID, and then I'm going to tap on account sync. And here on the top right hand side, I will basically tap on this three dot icon which you see, and then over here I will simply tap on sync now. As we tap on sync now, it is basically going to sync all of it. Now we are going to come back, and after you come back on the settings page, again you have to look for the option called apps. So go to the applications tab. Once you go to apps, you have to look for the app called Google Play Store. So tap on Google Play Store again. As you tap on Google Play Store, the first step is to basically tap on the force stop button. And as you tap on force stop, you have to tap on the option called storage and cache. So tap on storage and cache, and first of all simply clear cache, and again go ahead and tap on the clear storage button, and then tap on delete app data. Now this basically means you will have to log in again, and we're going to come back, and on the top right you're going to tap on the three dots, and you'll find the option called Uninstall Updates. Tap on the Uninstall Updates button, and you can see you have to simply tap on the OK button right over here, and it says uninstalling the updates. Now you have to go ahead and try to log into your Google Play Store, and this will basically fix your issue. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.